Good afternoon, children. We hope we can start with what we talked yesterday. In yesterday's class, we discussed about finding the equations of tangent and normal. Finding equations of tangent and normal. Okay, so I give similar simple questions till the others join. Okay, let's wait for 5 more minutes whether they are joining or not. Till that, I'll give a simple similar question what we discussed yesterday. Let's solve that one. Okay, and then we can pass on to the main for different types of questions. Okay, similar question I'll give it now. Try now. Find the equation of tangent and normal. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y square is equal to the curve y square is equal to 4x. Y square is equal to 4x. Equation of tangent and normal to the curve y square is equal to 4x at the point 1, 1. At the point 1, 1. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y square is equal to 4x at the point 1, 1. Next 1, 1. At 1, 1. How to do this? Y square is equal to 4x. Simple question, isn't it? It's a direct question. Will you do this? What's the equation of tangent? Yes, Aparna.
Ma'am, y minus y dash is equal to m into x minus x dash.
X1. X1. Y dash means it will become the derivative. It is a point. Okay. So you take it as x1 and y1. The difference you should note it, children. X dash means y dash means it is derivative. X1, y1 means this is the point. So this is the equation of tangents. Equation of tangents. So find out what is m. 2y dy by dx is equal to 4, isn't it? So from here, what is dy by dx? By 2y, which is equal to 2 by y. So it will be m. What is the value of m? What's the value of m? Yes, Aishwarya, value of m is
2.
2. Value of m is 2. Therefore, what is the equation of the tangent? Equation of the tangent is y minus 1 is equal to 2 into x minus 1. So y minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 2. Y minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 2. Now bring all the terms to one side and solve it. 2x minus y plus 1 minus 2 is 0. So it is 2x minus y minus 1 is 0 is the recurrent equation. 2x minus y minus 1 is 0 is the secured equation of tangent. Shubham, can you give the equation of normal? Shubham. Equation of normal. Equation of normal, Shubham. The equation of the normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 1 into x minus 1. So y minus 1 is minus x plus 1. So what's the equation?
Ma'am, m is 2, right?
Okay, yes, yes. So it is 2. So we cross multiply 2 into y minus 1. The point x1 by 1 only is 1, isn't it? So everywhere I put 1. What's the final answer? What is the final answer? What about the equation of the normal? Karthik?
X plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0.
Correct, Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
So note down the next two questions as homework question. Okay, next two questions are homework question. Similar to what we discussed yesterday. Tangents parallel, it cuts the x-axis, the curve will cut x-axis, the curve will cut y-axis. Similar question. Okay, note down the question. Find equation of the tangent and normal to the curve. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve at the points. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve at the points where it cuts the x-axis. At the points where it cuts the x-axis. At the points means sometimes it may get more than 1 point. Okay. Sometimes suppose the curve is like this means it may cut x-axis at 2 points or 3 points. Accordingly, we will get 2 or 3 tangents. Okay. Clear? Aishwarya? Anila Mohan, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
The equation of the tangent and normal to the curve at the points where it cuts the x-axis. Okay, if it is given for the exam also, if it is given like this point within bracket s means sometimes you may get 1 point or no more than 1 point also you will get. Okay, so if you are getting 2 points, you have to consider all the cases, and in all the cases you have to find the equation of tangent and normal. Okay. So the curve is in this one. 2 questions are there. 2 curves I'm going to do. Then the first case, the curve is y is equal to x minus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. Y is equal to x minus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. And in the second one, y is equal to x cube minus 1 into x minus 2. second case, y is equal to x cube minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, so these two questions are homework questions, in which this first one is a very important question. Among these two questions, the first one is a very important question. Marks. Write the next one. Next question. Next is another model of question we are going to do. Write the question. Find the equation of the tangent. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve. Find the equation of tangent to the curve. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve. Y is equal to root of 5x minus 3 minus 2. Y is equal to root of 5x minus 3 minus 2, which is parallel to the line. Which is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y, which is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Find the equation of the tangent line to the curve. Y is equal to root of 5x minus 3 minus 2, which is parallel to the line. Which is parallel to this line. What is the derivative of root x, children? Before we do this problem, let's recall the formula. What is the derivative of root x? Derivative of root x is? Yes. Very good answer. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Is it correct, Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. What is derivative of x raised to n?
N into x raised to n minus 1.
X raised to n minus 1. N into x raised to n minus 1. Okay. If two lines are parallel, their slopes are?
Equal.
Two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. So this concept we need when solving the next question. Look at the question. Find the equation of the tangent to this curve. We want to find the equation of tangent to this curve. In order to find the equation of the tangent, we need one point and slope. Here point is not given. Point is not given. If point is given means we can find the equation of the tangent. Instead of point, what is given? This tangent. The tangent we are going to find is parallel to 4x minus 2y plus 3 is 0. Okay, find the equation of the tangent to the curve. Y is equal to root of 5x minus 3 minus 2, which is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. So y is given like this. I'm going to find out the slope. Parallel. It is given the word as parallel. This tangent is parallel to this line. So slopes are equal. In order to find the slope, we are going to find out dy by dx. Okay, I'm differentiating. When you differentiate it, what is derivative of root x?
X by 2.
So what is derivative of root of 5x minus 3?
5x minus 3 by 2.
It is 1 by 2. Root of 5x minus 3. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x into this 5x minus 3. We have to differentiate. Function of function rule. If it is root x, the derivative is 1 by 2 root x. Listen, children. What is derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. So instead of with this x within the root, we have some other function. So 1 by 2 root of 5x minus 3 into, in the place of x, what we have? 5x minus 3. If you differentiate 5x minus 3, what you will get? 5 into 1 minus 0. So dy by dx will be 5 by 2 into root of 5x minus 3. Okay, 5 by 2 into root of 5x minus 3. Is it okay? Okay. So we are finding dy by dx. Now what is given? Tangent is, the tangent we are going to find is parallel to, this is parallel to, what is the equation of the line? Tangent is parallel to 4x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0, isn't it? Now for this line, can you give the slope? Karthik, what is the slope of this line? What is the slope of this line? What is the slope? The line is given, isn't it? What's the slope of this line?
2
How? Now we are getting 2.
minus a by b.
Minus a by b. What happened to Adul's account? Not coming with the formula. Learn the formula, okay? Learn the formula and come. Okay? Otherwise, it will be difficult for you. Learn the formula. If the straight line is given, what is the formula we use for slope? It is minus a by b. Slope of the line is here. We are getting minus a by b. So it is minus 4 by minus 2, which is 2. So this is the slope of the parallel line. Now these two lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel, the slopes will be equal. So 5 by 2 into root of 5x minus 3 is equal to 2. So you cross multiply this. So 5 is equal to 4 into 5x minus 3. So 5 by 4 is equal to root of 5x minus 3. In order to remove root, we will be squaring on both sides. In order to remove root, we square on both sides. When you square on both sides, we will get 25 by 16 is equal to 5x minus 3. So 5x is equal to 25 by 16 plus 3. So that is 25 plus 48 by 16. So 5x is equal to, what is 25 plus 48? It's 25 plus 48. Shubham, what is 25 plus 48? Twenty-five plus 48. Yes, Tomlin.
And 73 by 6.
By 16. Okay, so from here, what is x? 73 by, this one will go to the denominator, 16 into 5. So x will be equal to, x is equal to 73 by 80. X is 73 by 80. So when x is 73 by 80, find out what is the corresponding value of y. What is y? Y is root of 5x minus 3 minus 2. Here you substitute for x. X is 73 by 80. Calculate and tell me. Give the value. 5 into 73 by 80 minus 3 minus 2. So that is root of. If I take the common LCM as 80, 5 3s are 15. 365 minus 240. Minus 2. So what is the value of y? Calculate and give the value of y.
Ma'am, 1/4.
1/4. Yeah, which
Total
one?
answer.
Final answer is 1/4.
Yes, ma'am.
What is 365 minus 240? What is 365?
125.
125 by 18 minus 2, isn't it? So it is 125 by 18. We can divide it by 5, isn't it? So we'll get 25 by 16. Okay? Is it correct? You divide it by 5. It's 25 by 16. When you take square root, it will be
5/4 minus 2 now.
5 by 4 minus 2 means it is yes. What is the answer? Aparna.
Minus 3/4.
Minus 3 by 4. Is it correct, Shubham? Here you will cross multiply, isn't it? What is 4 into 2? Minus 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Not that big. So the point x1, y1 is. So we are finding the point. The point is 73 by 80, comma, minus 3 by 4. 73 by 80, comma, minus 3 by 4. Now our aim is to find the equation of tangent. What is the question? After doing this much thing, again read it. What is asked in the question? Why we are doing all those things? What is asked? Find the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent means y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. We need a point. x1, y1 is the point and slope. Slope already we got there. Points now we have calculated. Okay, what is the slope we got there? What is the slope? Look at there, what is the slope? So we have calculated the slope dy by dx. What is the slope we got here? We're getting slope as 2. These two lines are parallel. Slopes will be same, isn't it? Slope of this curve will be same as 2. So slope is 2. Slope is 2. M is 2. Therefore, what is the equation of the tangent? Therefore, the equation of the tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus, although negative is there, so negative of negative will become positive, is equal to 2 into x minus 73 by 18. Take the LCM, simplify, cross multiply, and give the final answer.
Eight x minus 40y minus 103 is equal to 0.
X minus 40y.
8x.
Check it, is it 8 or 80? What is the answer, Shubham? Darling?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Equation of tangent?
Y.
Because then I think the voice is breaking up. Why? Neela Mohan, what is the answer you got? Is it 8x or 80x?
80x.
80x. Others, check your answer. Okay, 80x. Now once again give the answer, Aishwarya.
80x minus 40 by minus 100 is equal to 0. 100.
100. Here also I think some correction is there. Check it.
103.
103.
Yes, 103. Check it, Aishwarya. Somewhere some mistake you have done. Here you'll be taking the LCM 4. Here you will take the LCM 80. Then you simplify, cross multiply, bring all the terms to one side. Check whether you are assigning the correct values, sign. Yes? Right, Shubham? Aishwarya, are you getting 103?
Yes, ma'am. Now I got it.
Is it clear? Is it okay? Here we are getting. Here, point is not given. Instead of that, what is given? The tangent is parallel to one line. If two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. We are equating the slopes and we are finding the point. Once we get the point, a point is there, slope is given, we find out the equation of the tangent. Is it okay? This is another method we are learning. Okay, similar method, note down one question. It's homework. It's homework. Find the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent to the curve. Find the equation of tangent to the curve. Y is equal to, find the equation of tangent to the curve. Y is equal to 2x square plus 7. 2x square plus 7, which is parallel to the line. Which is parallel to the line 4x minus y plus 3 is equal to 4x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Find the equation of tangent line to the curve. Y is equal to 2x square plus 7, which is parallel to the line 4x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Next is the next model of this. The next type. Everything in tangents and normal only, but the points, this is the difference. Somewhat different. Okay. In some cases, points are given. In some cases, points are not given. Okay, look at the next question. Find the equation of normals. Find the equation of normals to the curve find the equation of normals to the curve. 3x square minus y square is equal to 8. Find the equation of normals to the curve. 3x square minus y square is equal to 8. 3x square minus y square is equal to 8, which are parallel to the line, x plus 3y is equal to 4, which are parallel to the line, x plus 3y is equal to 4. Tell me, what is the difference between the previous question and this one? Can't hear. The voice is weak. Can you send the message chat box? Others, tell me.
The slope of a tangent is m, whereas slope of normal is minus 1 by m.
Previous question, what is asked? Previous question, what is asked? Shubham? What we have to find there?
Equation of tangent,
Here, what is asked?
equation of normal.
Okay. Normal. Normal is parallel to the given line. Is it clear? The previous case, tangent is parallel to the line. Here, what is given? Find the equation of normal to the curve, which is parallel to. So, normal is parallel to this line. Is it clear? Is it okay? So, we want to find the normal. We are going to find the normal. Find the equation of normal to the curve, which is parallel to the line. So method is same. We want to find the slope. Find out the slope of the first curve and give me what is the slope for the first curve. What is the slope? Differentiate it. Differentiating. What is dy by dx? What is dy by dx? You are going to give the answer. I'm not going to do. Shubham.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Yes, Anila?
Your voice is not clear.
Why is this not clear? What about other students? Parna, can you hear me? Now read the questions. Okay, sure, we can start. Find the equation of normal to the curve. Okay, we are going to find out the normal to the curve, which is parallel to the line. Find dy by dx and tell me what is dy by dx in the first case.
6x minus 2y dy by dx.
And here, what is dy by dx? What is dy by dx? 6x, what you are giving is correct. 6x minus 2y dy by dx is 0. From here, I want only the dy by dx. What is dy by dx? What is dy by dx? Yes, Shubham, what is dy by dx?
6x
6x
minus 2y
uh,
is equal to 8.
8.
No, minus 8.
8 when you differentiate it is 0. And here, what is dy by dx? Plus 6x if you take to other side, transposing. And tell me what is dy by dx? 6x will be equal to 2y dy by dx. Isn't it? From here, what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is
3.
3x by y.
3x by y. Okay. The slope of the tangent is 3x by y. Slope of the tangent only is given as dx by dy. So what will be the slope of the normal? What is slope of the normal? What is the slope of the normal, Aparna?
Ma'am, y by 3x.
Minus y by 3x. Okay, small correction is there. No. Minus m1 into m2 should be minus 1. Now, for the given line, what is the slope? What is the slope of the line?
Minus 1 by 3.
Slope of the line is minus a by b, that's minus 1 by 3. Okay. So now it is given. What is given in the question? Normal is parallel to the line. Normal is parallel to the line. So slopes are equal. Normal is parallel to the line. Suppose slopes are equal. We get minus y by 3x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Both the sides negative we can cancel. Both the sides we can cancel 3. Therefore, what we will get? Y is equal to x. So we will get y is equal to x. So substitute this in equation of the curve. Substituting this in equation of the curve. What is the equation of the curve? 3x square minus y square is equal to 8. 3x square minus y square is equal to 8. So when you substitute this, what you will get? 3x square minus x square is equal to 8. So 2x square is equal to 8. X square is equal to 4. So x is plus or minus 2. Therefore, x is plus or minus 2. So when x is 2, find what is y. When x is minus 2, what is y? Find out. When x is 2, what is y? When x is minus 2, what is y? So when x is 2, what is y? When x is minus 2, what is y?
And y is also plus or minus 2.
When x is 2, y is also plus or minus 2? When x is 2, check it, what is the value of y? When x is 2, what you will get? 3 into 2 square minus y square is 8. Okay, 4 into 3, 12 minus 8 is y square. So y square is equal to 4. So y is plus or minus 2. So when x is 2, y is 2, or when x is 2, y is minus 2. So the points are 2, comma 2, 2, comma minus 2. Now start, do the next one. When x is minus 2, what do we get? When x is minus 2,
Same as plus or minus 2.
when x is minus 2, so it is minus 2, comma 2, minus 2, comma minus 2, isn't it? So, correct, Aishwarya. Hmm? Is it okay, children? Is it okay? Aditya, are you getting the set of points?
Yes, ma'am.
Then select each point and find out what's the equation of the normal. So you take the first point, when x is 2, comma 2, what's the normal? What is the slope we got? What's the slope of the normal? Minus 1 by 3, isn't it? That's 2, comma 2. Slope is already given. Okay. So that 4 points. Okay, in the previous question, we got 4 points. At that 4 points, we have to find out the equation of the normal. You calculated that equation? Hmm? Yes, tell me, Aishwarya.
At the point 2, comma 2, slope is minus 1 by 3. At the point 2, comma minus 2, slope is 1 by 3. At minus 2, comma 2, slope is 1 by 3. At minus 2, minus 2, slope is minus 1 by 3.
So now look here. We got 4 points there. One second. We got 4 points there. So we got 4 points there. Which are the 4 points we got? 2, comma 2, 2, comma minus 2, minus 2, comma 2, and minus 2, comma minus 2. Okay. But at these 2 points, we got the slope as 1 by 3, isn't it? But at these 2 points only, we are getting the slope as minus 1 by 3. Is or no? Hmm? So we are going to find out the equation at these 2 points. So what is the equation of the normal? Equation of the normal at the point 2, comma 2. Yes. Y minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 3 into x minus 2. Simplify, you'll get the answer. Similarly, the next one is equation of the normal at the points Okay, children, hope you all completed that problem. Yes, so, Aparna, completed? Okay, children. We wind up this session with that. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.